Okay, go ahead and open it up. 30 minutes after being in the water. Bait fish are everywhere. I know that was 30 minutes of that trap being in the water. Let me back in the trap.
Oh, come on.
That's all right, just put them in the bucket. It works. It's cheaper than buying bait over and over and over.
Almost got it. Wait, there's more.
Yeah, they're still jumping around in there. So latches, closes up, stays closed easy. Edges won't cut you up, no sharp edges. Pretty slick little deal. Get one of these, get some kind of bait in it, and you can avoid your trips to the bait stand. Thanks. $17 a quart or more. Let me see that. That was in the water for 30 minutes. All right.